Did toddler bedtime completely drain you again last night? Tonight, try slowing your movements down and actually yawning during the bedtime routine. Toddlers mirror emotional states. Calm behavior and contagious yawning signal safety and sleepiness. That lowers cortisol, your child's stress hormone, and helps the nervous system slow down. Try it tonight. I'm Jonathan, creator and narrator of Yonimals Audiobooks Bedtime Stories on Spotify. We're giving away one free audiobook to a follower who comments the word Spotify below. Follow for more.